Well, hey y'all, welcome to the Gramstead. On the agenda today is actually starting another compost pile. I have been working in the garden, adding some new exciting stuff, and I've realized that I'm out of compost and I need another batch. So I am just going to use what I have sitting around my yard to hopefully build a pile big enough to get nice and hot and cook into some compost. So come along and I will show y'all how I'm going to build this pile. This is a bunch of dirt and chicken manure from under the chicken roost in the coop. And a bunch of leaves from under the oak tree. I went ahead and trimmed up this tropical landscape plant here at the corner of my porch too, and got a big pile of green for the compost. And since we had a nice big bonfire last weekend and I've got this awesome pile of ash right here, I'm going to go ahead and collect a bucket full to also add into the compost. All right, I think I've got enough ingredients. I also have some of these brown paper feed bags and some more landscape clippings for my greens. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the compost in my freezer bin, and I've got some leftover compost that's in here that I can go ahead and use as a starter. So let's get started. All right, I've gone through almost all of my material, and I think I want to go back to the woods and get another wheelbarrow full of leaves, and I'm going to top this off. You can see it's all kind of semi-mixed up. I just did really thin layers. The goal is to get it to break down pretty quick, so I didn't want my layers too thick. So this is what we look like right now. I've been watering the layers as I've been putting them in. I'm going to go get another wheelbarrow full of leaves, and then I'm going to top it off with some more ashes and some more chicken coop dirt. All right, here's what the pile looks like. You can see it's all layered up. And what I do is I fill half of my chest freezer because I'm going to stick a thermometer in here. And once my thermometer gets up to about 130 to 150 degrees, I'll let it stay there for 4 days. And then this whole pile will get moved and flipped over to this side of the freezer. And then from there on, I'll flip it every day and we'll have compost in a month.